You know the cat fights. The signal is given through tensed muscles and hair stood on end. A frozen image that brings up agony. Both ready for the big fight, waiting for a slight movement to trigger the attack. A couple of times I had the privilege in my life to face the unexpected. The moment that was certain that blood would be in one of the next frames, the one of the two cats softly passed by and moved away. The other one left behind, still frozen and tensed, watched the one passing by. The most amazing thing about the living cat was not the absence of fear. Of course fear was there, but not in control. What was in charge was the intention of fighting to death for the sake of freedom. Freedom even from one's own fear.